Hi everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva, and today we are in New Orleans. And before we get started, please click that subscribe button and please like this video and share it. So today we have a hotel room tour, and we are in New Orleans at the Andrew Higgins Hotel. This is a Hilton. This is a part of the Hilton, I believe, curio collection, and this is a corner king room. So we have fantastic views of there's the part of the World War II museum, which I highly recommend if you are coming to New Orleans to visit. You definitely want to go to the National World War II Museum. It is a Smithsonian quality museum. There's also, there's several different things. There's the old soda shop down at the bottom. They have a Victory Orchestra Theater where they do a lot of shows, and they have a 4D movie narrated by Tom Hanks. It requires a separate ticket, but you can get a combo ticket and do lots of the things. There's the theater right there. So let's start at the beginning. I'm gonna come over here and show you the room from the beginning. Okay, so this room, they actually upgraded us because we had a celebration we were here for. So this is our door. There's a mirror right there. I believe this is a door for an adjoining room, which we do not have. So this is the bathroom, and let's check it out. It has like a barn style door, sliding door. So let's check it out. Fantastic bathroom. So there's your vanity area. Here's your coffee maker, ice bucket, everything you need right there, with community coffee local to Louisiana. Check it out. A bathtub with a view of the historic New Orleans district. Here is the shower. No, that's the toilet. The shower and the tub are they combined? No. The tub is right there. Here is the shower. So you have privacy in this room. So privacy if you're in the shower, and privacy if you're in the potty. And here's the vanity. Here are some products that are included. Let's see what kind of bath products we have. That's what you would get with the bath. Now, let's come out and check the rest of the room out. This is the closet. Just a regular closet with a safe and an iron and ironing board. And here's the room with the king size bed. We have nightstands. This room has a tablet system that they update anything that's going on in the hotel is used. I haven't had a chance really to check it out. You have your own disinfectant spray and a little towel in case you feel the need to do that in the room. Everything is really like an Art Deco style, really cool. Check out that furniture. And there are USB ports there. And there are USB ports on the desk. There is a refrigerator right here. It's empty. And drawers for storage. Plus, I don't know, like a little serving thing. I'm not sure what you would use that for. And a chair and a fantastic view. I don't know if you can see it. There was a streetcar passing. I think we missed it. There is a pedestal that used to have a statue on top. But there is the Superdome back in the distance. So this is Cajun DIY Diva. Please like this video, please share, and I thank you for watching.